everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be doing these Paradise Sunset nails. So I'm super excited to be doing these nails because they are very indicative of where I want to be at right now. Now I'm just starting the look off by using my bright neon orange, which is from my Mia Secrets neon collection, and I'm going to fill the whole nail with that color. I'm then taking that same bright neon orange color and I'm going to my ring finger. I'm placing that on the tip of the nail and working that upwards to begin an ombre effect. Now I'm dipping into my pink neon powder from the Mia Secrets neon collection as well. I'm placing that in the center of the nail and then blending that out. Then I'm going back in and placing a second bead near the cuticle of the nail, and I'm continuing to blend that into that orange color. Moving on to the middle finger, I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the ring finger, except I'm going to place the pink at the tip of the nail and then the orange near the cuticle. So skipping the pointer finger, I'm going to move to the thumb and place that neon pink all over the bed of the nail. Now going back to the pointer finger, I wanted to create a look that incorporated both of the colors, but I didn't want the look to be the same as the rest of the nails. So sticking with my theme, I just decided to do a marble effect on this nail so I'm able to use both of the colors. So I'm just alternating back and forth with the orange and pink beads, and I'm placing both colors on the nail, blending them very, very lightly to create a marble effect, and I'm kind of pulling that to the cuticle of the nail to create a marbleized effect. Now I'm making sure not to blend those colors too much, because if you do, then it'll just end up looking like one color. Now I'm going in with my Mia Secrets clear acrylic, and I'm just placing that on top of all of the nails to create a protective layer. I've gone ahead and filed the nails, and now I'm just placing a primer on the nails to kind of, bring that color out, my favorite part, just in case you didn't know. And then I'm gonna place a top coat on top of these nails, and we'll go to the final reveal. I want to thank you all again for joining me today. If you all like this video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a little moment and press that subscribe button. And if you are interested in being notified every time I post a new video, then press that alert bell so that you can be notified. Now, thank you all again for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.